In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix disapproved products in Google Merchant Center. So let's get started by heading over to business.google.com in Merchant Center. Once the page loads, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner. Here you will find a sign in button. Clicking on this will present you with the option to choose Google Merchant Center, which is exactly where we need to be. If you happen to already be signed in, great. You'll be automatically routed to your Merchant Center page. Otherwise, follow the prompts to log in, and you'll soon find yourself on the home page of your Merchant Center account. Once you're on that main page, take a look at the left side of your screen. There you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the products page, which will take you to an overview of all the products you've been attempting to upload. Here you should see a list of products. This will include those that have been successfully uploaded as well as any that have been disapproved. In the status column, you'll be able to quickly identify which products haven't been approved by Google for posting. Keep an eye out for a tab at the top labeled Needs Attention. Clicking on this tab will take you to where you can focus on resolving issues with disapproved products. On this page, you'll be able to see exactly what needs editing. This is a crucial aspect because without addressing these issues, your products won't make it through Google's approval process. In the table, you will find a Fix option. Click on it to start resolving discrepancies and editing the products. Accurate information is key here. Be sure to verify all details and correct any errors that have been flagged. Additionally, make it a priority to fill out any missing information that Google highlighted. Once all necessary edits are made, your product will automatically enter a review process again. Be patient, as it might take some time for Google to either approve or reject your product again. But what if after all that effort you find your product disapproved again and believe it's a mistake? No worries, go ahead and click on I disagree with the issue. Here you can provide an explanation via a text box, detailing and clarifying the information about your product. Once satisfied with your explanation, submit your review. All that's left to do is wait. In a few hours you should receive feedback on your appeal. That wraps up our session today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide on fixing disapproved products in Google Merchant Center helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.